the mix. And on the mix today, we have Gracie. And Gracie is out and about for Dwayne. Now, you guys have to go catch what she has to say to Dwayne. Miss D. Yes, you have to. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, happy birthday. I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this year. And for all my other lovelies, supporters, friends, followers, subscribers, whatever you may call me, have yourselves a beautiful and enlightening day. Now, for everyone out there, we have to ensure that we're making marks in our life and moving forward from things that were said in the past. Sometimes we're stuck in the past, and that alone can trigger us. Now, if we allow ourselves to be triggered by the past events or what someone says about us, then we're giving them the power to control us. We have to let go and move forward from the past or move forward from what people say so that we're not triggered by their words. You will hear that words are powerful, and they are. They have a lot of meaning behind them. But we have to move away from allowing people to use mere words to trigger us. Sometimes people will come out and press our buttons, as Jamaicans would say, press our buttons to see how far and what they can use to get us to start rising up or to get us to argue. So we must be aware of that and do not allow words or even people's actions to trigger what we have inside of us. Once you allow someone to trigger you, then you're controlled by that person's words or their actions. You are controlled by them. So move away from allowing people to trigger you in this day, this time, and this age, and allow your own self to be evolved and maintained. Have yourselves a beautiful day and walk away from trigger because we don't want to be controlled. Have a blessed day.
People have to grease on the memory sometime. I'm going to remember wash out. So now wicked. I say some name, I say about Gally. Sometimes some comment on my son and make and some, I'm sure some people name about Gally. Me I feel what if I really a fake page. Or them for true. Gally are wicked. Everybody know Gally are wicked and Gally can done now. Gally can done. As much as I get 13 on me forgive me yesterday, so me say yesterday, you're still no win, Gally. You're still no win. 13 Anglia. And anybody are going to say you win, I lie them at tell. I show them why you feel good. You no win. You never win. That's why I never argue with her. Just put on me, I put on. Time love say who cuss who. And me know all of we out here cuss people. All of we cuss the people them and chat the people them. All of we chat them. It's all the thing that somehow we come out public, you come do it, and somehow we do it. Somehow we hide and do it. But all of we. Some of them have to catch up on recording because we come out and go, we are defending them, we are woman empowerment. But when live lock off, with a total transformation. So sometimes people come out and grease on the member and show us say, yeah, remember you did say this about the people them too. None of you are telling perfect. Remember God. All the way. Dirty Dwayne all the way. So many people on your platform I come talk about say, oh, Oh, they need to stop. No, we need to stop. Dirty Dwayne. No, they need to stop. Who don't need to stop? We need to stop Dirty Dwayne. I can't talk about Donna say, oh, they need to stop. All of you out here. Which platform out here never contributed to it none at all. All of you out here, you to Dwayne, you need to stop. I can't talk about who no need to stop. Donna said, who no need. You too. They dog, you too. For your platform first start, no fight things them. Because the same trending drama where they pan the use and post wally for negativity and bad. You need to start off good. So who is you now to tell people about they need to, all that we need for Ratic of stop. Which platform that contribute to it, show me. Which one are we out there that contribute to it? Remember me come out here come see Mixup. Me been come out here come see Maxine and done an argument over barrel and sitting where Maxine say send go. Me been come out here and see Tina always a throw shade and a war. I say who a fight her over cake. Me been come out here and see that long time before me start blog out here. Say been there a long time. So I have to deal with it from the root of it. We have to deal with the mix-up from the root of it. We can't go on the surface. My bin did come out here and hear enough things long time. So Mixup been a go on before me to create the evil push out my head to come blog or come own a platform out here. Mixup been a go on. Curly been in a throwing word long time pan people. First time I see Curly platform, I did hear when time they played it a go on. When time I'm sitting there, not even, when good man did a go on and Audrey them did have play, and then they promote Audrey play. And Curly come out at first time I see Curly live at that and I mix up, they make me see Curly live. First time I see Curly live at the time, then I mix up the card me for see Curly live. So Mixup been out there a long time. On this side of the world I may talk, this vicinity over here. So we not talk about the rest of vicinity them, because we know so the rest of vicinity them Mixup always there. Mixup always on the side here. Mixup ever there. Little Mixup for go on. I don't care how they go like you don't like you, who the commenters, who the viewers them too. If the Mixup not talk, who not rock and come in, if I'm big Mixup in that go on under there. Say what are we out there love Mixup? All are we out there love Mixup? What's the point? What the contribution you make? I can't the blogger alone, you know. Because if you blogger, then come and a blog and then a Mixup and never talk and nobody not. Like how everybody, like how Dwayne attack and nobody not pay my mind. So I try to draw it himself. Because nobody, and a dry one draw it himself, you know, get the attention out of you're dead dog, you're not getting attention out tight, and that's the thing. You're not getting the attention, and talking a one talk, and the attention, you're not getting. Seek your attention, and you're not getting out tight. Bet you that get to, when you that get your views in my fight, where you say, me love Mixup bad, me love Mixup bad, me love Mixup, kind of get your views. But you're not getting local views in my fight, no, you come, hey, go here. Remember Dwayne? Nation is a lie, me a tell me a lie, me a tell. When Dwayne used to get the views off I Mixup, remember when he used to come and say, me love Mixup, me mix everybody, me love Mixup, me love Mixup. And him say when he go over and appear, go tell us a drama seller. So me know the rating because him a come now like him decent and him nice. Where? But what would do it for money? You don't do it for money, you do it for clout. You love clout, you love views. Me tell you a long time, say you love clout and me love the money. You do it for clout, me do it because me want a paycheck. You do it because you love, you get your kicks when you see one heap of people for your life. Me do it because me get me kicks when me see pretty scream and me see money. So it's how we do it for two different something. Everybody do it for two different something. You do it because you want views. You want clout. You don't do it for money. You do it because Everybody know in a real life, nobody accept you. So if you come out here, you get like a views, you feel like you get accepted because you see people for your life. And that you do it for kill time. Me not do it for kill time. I work. I'm not chicken, me a jerk. Work, me a work. So we all do it for different reasons. You do it because you look attention. Me do it because me a work. Work, me a work. You hear what Rose say? I'm at work. Yes, that's why I love the girl named Rosalie. I don't care who ask how she look or how she shape. I love that girl. You hear what Rosalie tell you? I'm at work. Work, me a work. Yeah? You do it to get clout and attention and you want people to see you. Me do it because me I get work. I work, me a work. Work, me a work, Dwayne. You're lucky. You can't do it and draw attention. Attention not go nowhere for me. Attention not go nowhere for me. And you can't them give attention, no, them now give it every day. So if you can use, if you can get a little money off of them, when you see them, you take the money and go and kind of loyalty in the hotel, you're lucky. You look likes. You look likes. Me not look no likes from nobody, my love. No, not me. I don't want no praises. Me tired of that. Gracie a detective. Gracie and look on them class. Me and bring me. No, me not been in that. I want no praise from nobody. I've been there. But y'all look at boy, y'all look me been there. Boy, y'all look the way me been there. And they beneficial to me. Them praise it today and kill it tomorrow. Me my love. Me right. You can't sit down and look over for your life. I work, me I work. Me still like Rose. When Rose told her that live, everybody a kick Papa teeth and a laugh. And Rose still a give Rose, hey, you wanna lock me, I gotta lock off this. Yeah, me that. Money, when I see the money, me get iggy. Lock me, I lock off that too. Lock me, I lock off that Shireen. You mad? Me can't do live and not see the money and they all laugh and keep pick up teeth. You mad? On Facebook, this you can keep a free life, but for YouTube, my head get iggy. I gone, me gone. You only shall have me soon tomorrow, whenever you are, man. Bye. Yeah. Me still like Rose. That's why I love Rose. Work, me I work. And money why I come out, Shireen. So when me come out far? Shireen, me not look clout like the way, remember, I didn't have clout. I still can't get clout if I need it. Because I have one heap sitting on my phone right now. Can't turn the phone, the social media upside down. I work, me I work. And money why me come out here serene. You're crazy. Me I come out here for clout like Dwayne. And Dwayne come for clout. Give him that. I work, me I work. Give him the clout. Him love clout. Him a clouty. Him and the rest of them will come for clout. Give them that. You see the rest of them are pretty scream. A thumbs up them hungry for me. Response bound and thumbs up. I work, me I work. Lord God. Work, me I work my rate money. Mad? Then I could have social media platform with my platform over YouTube. And I get up and go every month like Curly. I know Curly money. I know Curly platform can't really PR it. You know a lie? I connect to cut him live up there so dear still. If she now want cheap state, it probably could have paid it. Because probably couldn't get one look 3 bills or one look 4 bills a month. If she consistently go. Maybe he could have paid one look 6 bills rent. So me could have come out here faithfully every day like Curly, Shireen, come and talk. And when me done, everybody a cook peace soup and a laugh. And me can't pay my rent. Then you're mad? Me could have got YouTube every day like come see Curly got YouTube every day faithfully. I told me all come over here so too. And me not see no stars and me a come faithfully every day. And me not see no cash up, no. You mad? She didn't even know, now them put her out a low income. I say, what do you benefit code? Because the government catch up on her. Sorry, me tell her what you think I drop me and make what you call the benefit cut. Then take her off of the cash assistant. Me still have the food stamp, them so kick him off 5 food stamp too. Me could do like Curly. Must be mad. Every day me a come. And when you both done, me must can pay my rent. If I even my rent. If I even my rent, me supposed to can pay when me done. Crazy. As much as them say them bring me down, I remember my rent money, me sure YouTube give me amount time. As long as I come faithfully. As long as I come faithfully, get rent and pay. As much as them bring me down. I look for all who say them bring me down. They can't get, they not get in, no? They can't get in. That's why God no like ugly. God no like ugly. Me soon not scrape out a bottom. God no like ugly. The way I live away every day, but followers he have on in Facebook. Me don't know I buy the way I buy followers. I ask me, I tell him so I buy that boy buy some followers. There's no way. I went platform there. There's no way you can have 88,000 people on your platform and you go live. And organic you get them. Organic you get them. You say. And when you go live, all 10 people, no my love. I buy followers. Buy followers because you want to look good. I don't buy no followers. You mad? So me want to look dirty one over there. So what you want? I call her again look while. When I call the girl look while, I want to buy the same name for to know which one of them I chat. Because I told them they call out, you know. Me want me call the name, me call it a name and me want me buy exact name. The John Joe Wall one me say, yeah, John Joe Wall one. Me a John Joe Wall one said. I think I dirty drag queen one. The dirty drag queen one. What do you talk about say? Me I look come back over for YouTube. And somebody said to her, say, she not look no come back, look at her views them. She don't need to look come back. I can't talk about say people can buy views. Buy me writing cuff, me love money. You idiot. You want to see me buy not yeah? Me a one girl. You me go live. And I 3,000 views upon the video and a 50 likes upon that rotted cuff. It a stay, you know. Me not buy none put pan there. Out of my money, me go for live now, I catch one look money. Say for instance, I catch one $5 and I use $3, $2 type buy likes put pan the video, must be mad. It a stay away there. You crazy? Me a one girl not buy no likes. Me not buy it. You mad? Me likes the money. Me not spend unnecessary money like that go buy likes. You idiot? You have to stay without it. Hey girl, like that you have 50 likes upon the girl video now and look how much views. Yes, my love. Yes, my love. Make it stay. Bet me likes them stay till them build up. I wanna love likes, I wanna buy. Me not buy. You me not buy views now because me want to look like me a smarty and me a keep our Facebook. A long time me not come over here. Me come over here every day. Me tell them no care hold me. But if me didn't want to look like say yeah, Gracie just come on the scene today and she look at on Facebook, I could have buy 300 more views put on this now. I just say yeah man 350 odd people over there watching girl. Me not do it. Me not doing it. Me not doing it. The $3 could I use and do something else. Me not do it. $3 could have buy a pound of rice or one tin of mackerel. You idiot. You must be mad. I use $3 now buy views. I likes. That could have buy one tin of mackerel and pound of rice. When I look, oh God, $3 go buy $1 bag of rice there. And one I 99 cents, $1, 109 mackerel. Let me know the price me used to buy it. I buy it now, I know if I buy it. I don't know if it raise. But I did 109 for them at that time. And it's supposed to can buy one look on my water me want, I want to drink, so water me want. I may have local season in my house. I may have onion and local season. So you could have could have cooked me a meal. And if you rotted cup, take you go buy views. I like you're mad. I'm mad, you're mad, man. The $3 could have cooked me a meal. I left back a meal for 1 day to come in and I'm a pound of rice and I want to go. I said me I'm a pound of rice one time. So the $3 no could have cooked Gracie a meal. And if you go take it by views, I like you're mad. I mean I do it. It'll stay right there with anything me get me catch and done. Someone had buy comment. How you gonna look in the comment section? If people don't understand the context of the content what them put out. So you can't see there.